Stupid Bird Review! Stupid Bird Review is back! We have spring Stupid Bird Review. So here is the Scarlet Tanager. This is the old design Scarlet Tanager. It's really cool. So this is the old design Scarlet Tanager from Backyard Bird Series 3. It's pretty accurate. It's pretty standard. It's all red with black wings, a black tail, and a gray beak and orangish, reddish-orange eyes. Mine in particular was made in 2001. It says 2001 on mine's tag. And yeah, pretty cool. This one was released on February 10th of 2001. Yeah, and this one works, I believe. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, what would I rate this one? I'd give this one a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10, that sounds about right. Yeah, that's Scarlet Tanager.